Zoom squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Welcome to Vlogmas day 17. Yesterday I started storing away some of my decors that are not in use currently and some of my fall decors. I thought I would film it and share it with you guys since many of you did ask how do I store my home decor. By no means I am not the most organized person in this world, but I'm just showing you what works for me. I hope you will find something valuable out of it. If you are interested, please keep watching. I'm using my decorative boxes to store my napkin rings. I like when my items serve double purposes. By the way, the boxes are from Amazon and Z Gallery. This small bins is from Walmart and I'm using it for my napkins. This morning I went to Home Depot to get some more bins to finish my little project. They are on sale just in case if you are interested. Depending on which one you select, you can save close to $2. For myself, I got this one. It has some wheel on it, which will be easy to move around. I bought 4 of the medium size. It can take up to 106 squats, and one in this size. But they have many different style and color. I'm giving you guys a little sneak peek of the trees. Now I'm back home, but you know, before we put anything inside the bins, we have to sanitize and clean them first.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
I like the fact that the bins are clear. I can easily see what's inside of them. I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to you, my fellow Glam squad, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate your love and support. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. And if you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Let me show you guys what I have. In this bin, I have all of my spring and everyday floral arrangement. Spring is the next season coming up, so of course I have them on top, and I have these red calla lilies on top for Valentine's Day as well. I kept my spring wreath by itself because the flowers are coming out. These are extra vases that are not in use currently, so I put them in this bin. Once I purchase my credenza, they will be going in there instead. In this bin, I have all of my fall flowers and candles in there. My pumpkins are in here. And in here, I have my decorative year-round candles. In the next bin, I have my warners and my placemat in there. The warners are at the bottom and the placemats are on top. And in here, I have all of my napkins. I tried to keep the napkins that I'm not gonna use for a little while all the way at the bottom. Like this local one that you see in the right corner, it's a Thanksgiving or Christmas napkin, so I'm not gonna be using that until next year. And the teal one on the left corner, I used it last year for spring, so I'm not gonna be using it this year. I'm hoping that I'm gonna be using the pink one or the white and blue one. Guys, if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I thank you for your time today. I hope you find something valuable out of today's video. I will see you on Saturday for a brand new video. I will not be uploading tomorrow. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.